Now in this figure, where the curve is below the x-axis. Okay, so corollary 2 for the theorem is, if the curve y is equal to fx lies below the x-axis, then the area bounded by the curve x-axis, the ordinates x is equal to a, x is equal to b is, now the area is negative. The area is negative. Therefore, area is given by, now the area is given by absolute values for a to b y of dx. Is it clear? Where bar represents absolute value. So this is the corollary 2. So now we have gone through the theorem, corollary 1 and corollary 2.